If you want to find out the best, easiest, quickest and simplest way to integrate AI into your business, then this is the episode for you. In this episode, I'm going to talk you through what I believe is the easiest first step of how you can start using AI to add value to your small business, and to do this at low cost, safe and simple. So please listen to the end to find out all my top tips. And if you own or operate a business and you're interested in how the best ways are to integrate AI into it, please like and subscribe. My name is James Anderson and this is the AI in Business YouTube channel. This channel is where I bring you the latest news, hot topics, ideas and ways in which you can safely, securely integrate AI into your business. No jargon, no hype, no FOMO, just real practical tips from a business owner who uses AI himself. So today's episode, I just wanted to do this outside because it's, well, beautiful. It's freezing like, but it is beautiful. Okay, so this is my tried and tested way for you to integrate AI into your business. And this is in the function of marketing. Marketing is perfect for integrating and testing AI and finding out what you like, what works for you, what fits in your budget. So AI is really good for marketing, providing that you give it plenty of context. So this is my step-by-step approach on how you can test AI in your business in a safe and relatively cheap environment. Okay, first thing you need to do is you need to go to Claude Anthropic website and download the Claude Cowork or Claude app. So once you've downloaded the app, and you need to go in there and create a project for your business. All right, a project is basically an area where you can put all your context files and all your reference so that when you come back into your project, all your chat history and everything is relevant to your business. So what you need to put in your project files is basically all the context about your business. So you can stick in your website URL, you can stick in your LinkedIn page URL, and you can basically ask Claude Cowork to go and scrape all your information from whatever content you have online. Also, in addition, I would put in your project folder any context documents you have already. Now, maybe you've done some brand guidelines in the past, maybe you've done some legal guidelines, anything that's really non-sensitive, public facing, you want to put this in your project folder to basically store as much detail and as much context that the AI can use to generate your content so it's relevant. Things like sales brochures, company profiles, anything client facing that's public and available and non-sensitive. Basically pack these folders full of all of this detail and context. And then what it means is whenever a Claude generates content for your website or whatever it may be, it actually references this as your core data and your foundation of essentially what the content is going to be generated. So next, what I would do is I'd type a prompt into Claude and I would say, please generate the 4 following documents in a .md file. So this file basically is like a text file that the LLMs can read quicker. So every time they're not scanning like PDFs and all the rest of it. So the first one I would do is brand guidelines. The second one is legal guardrails. The third one is tone and voice. And the last one is. So what you'll do is you'll type in a prompt and type in something along the lines of, please create these 4 documents comprehensively, use all my content data and project folders and use URLs for website and LinkedIn. And then type generate these 4 .md files. And basically Claude will scrape all the information from your website and all your files and it'll create these 4 MD files. These will be the foundation for all of your content that you create from Cowork. So there's various ways after you've done this how you can actually create content. But what I would start, first up, after you've created all your context files, what I would suggest you do is download this skill. All right, you don't need to know what a skill is. Essentially, it's just a set of instructions that guide something to do something in Claude. Now, I've put the link for the URL skill. It's an SEO content skill that this kind person who's credited below has kindly created. And it's not as good as like some paid tools like Ahrefs or whatever, but you know what? It's free and it gives you a good starting place. So what you need to do is install the plugin. If you don't know how to install the plugin, ask Claude. There's 3 tabs in Claude Cowork. There's chat, which is just the basic chit chat. There's Cowork, where you can do things a little bit more advanced, and then there's Claude Code on the right hand one. To be honest, if I was you, I would just stick with Cowork. But what you can do is you can type in the URL that I've put in the description below and download and install this skill into Claude Cowork. Then simply all you do is you click the /SEO audit and then type in your website URL, and Claude will actually do a full SEO audit of your website. So this normally takes about 10 minutes or so just let it run through. And then what you'll do is you'll get probably a .md output for the SEO report from your website. Then the great thing is you can actually ask Claude to fix it all. Now, there's a few ways to do this, how you can actually connect Claude to your website. First of all, you can do it through the URL, and you have to kind of use your login passwords, and it connects to your browser. And this is just a function. You can just type in Claude, please connect to my browser, log in, and make the update on the SEO changes. This is one way. Or the other way is you can actually connect through a thing called a REST API, which is in the back of WordPress. This is really easy to do. You just go into your user in WordPress, and then you basically type in there and you add in external API. It's in the user section, and I'll put a link in below to how to do it because I've forgotten it while I'm talking about it. But essentially, you put in your user and you create a unique password. You can then feed this into Claude Cowork, and it can actually post direct to WordPress without actually logging in through the browser. So once you've got your SEO audit and you've connected it to your browser, you can then set Claude on its way, and it'll start actually updating all these things. So it'll be looking at things like sitemaps, image tags, alt text, all these fantastic, lovely SEO things. And then basically one by one, it'll start updating them. And it'll also give you a bit of feedback on your content and things that are broken or not working on your website. So once you've done this and you've actually done a bit of an audit and fixed some of the findings, which is really easy, probably take you about half an hour's work, then what I would suggest is I would use the SEO audit tool, and you can actually scrape competition's websites. So what you can do is you can type in the / I believe it's competitor search on the SEO audit skill, and then you can type in some websites of your competition or people who are your rivals or people who you aspire to be in your business. And then you can put these various URL links in there, and what it'll do is it'll actually scrape their websites as well. And it'll give you a bit of an outline plan for things like keywords and content idea and page ideas. It's pretty basic, but it's free and it's a good start. So once you've done this on your competition's website, what you need to do is create a keyword calendar. So again, just type it in Claude. Claude, please create a keyword calendar. Use the keywords from our competitor websites. I would recommend about 3 posts a week to start with. For a couple of months, you should be able to generate enough content from then. And then what you need to do is you need to ask Claude if you can create the article outline so that it's SEO optimized length, and has all the correct SEO basic functions embedded in the creation of the article. And Claude will do it. Then what you need to do is you need to create a schedule. So every Monday, Wednesday and Friday, let's say, when you log into Claude Cowork, it'll pop up and say, James, it's time to create your article. And then it'll draft your article. It'll then push it onto WordPress. So the only thing that I'm struggling a little bit on this, but I'm still working on finding out the way, is actually generating the image for the article. So I'm actually doing this manually at the moment. I'm using Google AI Studio, I'm using Nano Banana, and I'm creating the prompt in Claude to generate the image in Google AI. So then I put the image into the article, and then that's it. It takes about probably 5 to 10 minutes a day. And then what you're producing there is 3 high quality, well, maybe not high quality, but I would say medium quality content on your website, regularly. So this is really important for the search engine, for the algorithms to basically make sure that your company is regularly updating content. Next, what you can do is you can simply type into Claude Code after the article, please repurpose this as a post for LinkedIn and provide the URL link. And it will do it. It'll create you a nice LinkedIn post. You then copy and paste it onto LinkedIn and put your article on there. And then if people are on your team or on LinkedIn, you can get them to share and repost. super simple. If you've got a Facebook page, you can do exactly the same. Please repurpose this content across for Facebook. Honestly, this is like half an hour to a maximum an hour a day, and you'll be soon pumping out really good quality content, and all basically for free. So with this, I would suggest starting with a Claude Pro package, which is £20 a month, and it should be fine to do this. That's pretty much it, to be honest. So what you've done today is found out how to do a full SEO content audit, and then you've also found out an outline structure, how you can start generating content for your blog and also for your social medias. This is quick, easy, simple, and it works, guys. It's safe and secure. What I'm trying to do is give you guys, as small business owners, leverage so you can catch up with the big boys without the budget, because we haven't got the budget of the big boys. But now with AI, we can use these tools to compete. So this is a really simple way to start using AI in your business. Create your project file, add all your context documents on there, and then start creating content which is relevant for your business. Super easy, super quick. In a couple of months, I guarantee you will be getting lots of organic and a lot more visitors to your company. And you know what? When people land on your page, it's always good to see you've got updated content, because there's nothing worse than you land on there and you see a blog post from 2019 with something completely irrelevant on there. So start doing this today. If this is the sort of content you're interested in, please subscribe to the channel. Please like, please hype. I think there's a hype button thing on there now. And help me grow this channel, because my function is to help you guys as small business owners implement the tools that can help you catch up with the big boys. Because you know what? We haven't got the budget, we haven't got the time, but we want to compete. So this is for you. If you're interested and you need any support in integrating AI into your business, please have a look at my website below. There's loads of additional content on there, blog posts, and there's also a news function on there where I've put this like news aggregation where you can get all the latest news on AI. Just literally sign up for a free account and you'll get access to that as well. So thanks for listening.